My name is Mariana. I'm from Brazil, and this is my midterm reflection. Well, I must say that up to now, I'm really happy about the course. There are many things that I'm learning, and I think that I will improve my practice as an English teacher. And I think I'm going to be prepared if, in any case, in any situation, I have to be a CBI teacher. So, first of all, I'd like to talk about topic number one, where I reflect about my personal learning objectives. And I said that as a learning objective, I wanted to help my students because sometimes they feel a little bit frustrated. They want to speak, but they don't have the words. And I said that if I keep theory, I think that my practice is going to be improved. So far, I think I'm going to get my goals reached because I do believe that I'm learning a lot and I'm going to do a lot for my students based on what I've been learning. For example, and here I also go to number two where I describe two important ideas and understandings. For example, readability. I think that readability was a very good point for me because as I work in specific English purposes with some students, they read a lot, and I was not concerned about that very much. I used to think that if I gave them the text, they would somehow, using vocabulary, do the activities that I asked them to do. But I saw that if I make it easy for them to read the text, showing images, the layout of the text, and giving guest questions and directing them where to go, they're going to focus on what I want them to focus, and they're going to perform what is the goal of the objective, and of course they are going to be very happy because of that, because everybody likes to succeed. Then the affective filter is going to be in a good level for them to go on and on and on, because unfortunately I have many students that don't have a very up level of English. So I think that if I start with this, with more readable texts, they're going to get better results. And of course, I'm going to implant it. Another thing that I really liked very much was the scaffolding theory. And it's important because, as I said, I have students that don't have up levels of English, and as we work in heterogeneous classes, sometimes I have students that know a lot and others that don't know very much. I know that this is not CBI classes, but I'm trying to put this on my own practice and see how nowadays it is going to help me. So if I scaffold my students' learning, I think it's going to be very good for them to think aloud, to make pair works when they don't know how to develop very well the situation. So step by step they're going to improve. Like pre-teaching vocabulary, I said this is very good. If I need this vocabulary, I need my students to know it. So the word cloud, strategy, and many other strategies, I think they're going to be very helpful for me in class as an English teacher, as a foreign language, and also if in any situation I have to teach a CBI course. And this is something very good because I work English as focus on form and not focus on forms. I'm trying to do that. I said that I bring themes to discuss in class, and inside these themes we see grammar, we see vocabulary, and I think it's a little of CBA, and I'm trying to see it as that. We're going to try to learn something through English, not only English itself. And it's going to be effective, and I used to do it a little bit empirically, but now I'm seeing theory that helps me do that. I'm very happy about it. And finally, what changes in my personal study strategies that could make in order to make sure that I get even more out of this AE teacher class. It's going to change a lot my own personal study strategies. As I said, it's going to help my practice, and it's also going to help my studying practice. Because now, as I said, I'm going to focus more on the theme than on the grammar. I'm going to focus on teaching my students something through English, not only English itself. So I really like this course. I really like what I'm learning, and it's being very, very resourceful and helpful for me. Thank you very much.